Hey everybody, it's Amy Dickinson Campbell with the Space Weather Report. This is going to be for Friday, guys. Friday, the 20th of January. January just went zipping by. All right, so big news on the solar flare front. Try to say that 3 times fast. Right up, first paragraph, you see chance of flares. NOAA forecasters say there is a 60% chance of M-class solar flares and a 15% chance of X-class flares. And they say that it's probably because there's this giant sunspot AR3190 that it's being really active. So those solar flares are no joke, guys. That's where you got to watch out for everything. Let me just get into this though. Solar winds are blowing at 432 kilometers a second, and we've got the elevated chances of M and X. The neutron count is down 1.3% below our maximum we've been having. They call it the average, but if you look at the chart, the average is up above that, way up there. So it's 1.3% above the maximum, or 1.3% below the maximum. Went down below where we've been sitting, so that's really good. I'll take that. And as far as geomagnetic activity, there's a 30% chance of some geomagnetic activity in the mid-latitudes, and 35% chance of severe activity at the poles. And I looked on the asteroids, and nothing on the radar. Like one's like 12 lunar distance away. It's a bit. So okay, that being said, now let's get back to those coronal mass ejections and the solar flares and all that stuff that come off of the sun and hit us. That stuff, it's strong. Okay, so solar flares cause all kinds of damage, power grid problems, knock out satellites. Depending on how fast the solar winds are blowing, it could cause earthquakes and other things like that, because it messes with the Earth's crust. But that being said, that doesn't mean you can't protect yourselves. What you need to do is make sure you hydrate and stay shaded. If you start feeling dizzy or nauseous or anything like that, take a break, get the heck out of the sun, sit down. I always like to keep stuff to hydrate myself on hand, and one of them that I really do love is orange juice. It really does help. If you can have citrus, it's a really great thing, and because it has the natural sugars that boost you over time and not give you this big sugar rush, which is what your body would be needing at that point. Make sure you check on your plants, your animals, your infirmed, your elderly, because if you're feeling it, they're feeling it. If there's ways to create shade for your plants and animals, do that, please, because it'll help them. All right, guys, I'm sending love, and just be vigilant, stay vigilant, and you'll be fine. And you're wondering whether or not you can go outside and these kind of things. Yes, just limit your time outside, 15-20 minutes, come back in, take a break, because we do need our outside time. We're creatures of nature. Have a great one. Bye.